PP cannot be underestimated.
Why it is kojo pon ko it is ate. Now, stories no dos no rough and there. Hey ready. Now story for froni egigim. Yeah, sorry, I'm on my end now. The difference between your platform way and any other platform, I work Ghana. Any difference in say the research we do before we come on air, no, a difficult, a tough. Masa, a juma a year answering about online every day, and that's my bet now 3-4 hours. No, 99% of media houses in Ghana they cannot do it. My production team, a juma we year in a day. Let me tell you, as I'm working right now, they are planning tomorrow's production. It is not a joke. And you know one thing, I'm planning tomorrow's production. They are still watching me and basically producing this show live. If I ask for any document, it will come through. And that is the kind of journalism, any media, it is not easy to break. Now, I'm sure sorry, and it is obvious. A month for bebre kasa social media. So na me light bill kosro and I'm talk 1,000 2 days na say and I'm talk 500 2 days na say and today the obvious is out. So many Ghanaians are complaining. That's fine. And I'm one person. I like it when government at the end of the day accept to say there is an issue going on and that something needs to be done about it. Adia me tiny abaya. That is what I hate. And that is the hallmark of That is the hallmark of the NPP. That is what NPP is good at. Ghana say, dollar do 17. GDP, BBS say, no problem. You're okay. Adia na a time where NPP. But there's one thing about this government I like. When there's a problem, they will come out and confront the problem. But you see, there's a difference between a government that complains and a government that is always proactive. Now, Hadia, Energy Minister John Jinapo has assured consumers that faulty meters will be replaced and overpayments compensated. ECG has 7 days to report on rapid prepaid credit depletion. He made the remarks during the commissioning of MBH Power Ghana's new energy meters manufacturing unit in Tema. And the Energy Minister John Jinapo a grantee interview abra omuko be another power plant a company for MBH Power Ghana new meter manufacturing unit. You see your company be all Ghana ebe manufacture meters Ghana omni ECG bedi in Sawaso, but minister no call no nsentro for ekoho ekobusa minister say minister na you see ankofo bebre ugo social media omo to kanea endi nansa endu nanum endu na watwe na kanea na hye na omo ni say bibi koso a ewo sesebio utu wanamo na minister ekasa efa homo enkotie minister na nkasa nenum asem.
Once we conduct the investigation, assuming some meters are faulty, we have to replace them immediately because you must put the right meter. And if it turns out that people have overpaid, we have to find a way of compensating them. But like I said, it's just too early. Let us conduct the investigation. Fortunately, we have a very good working relationship with the PURC. So the PURC, the Energy Commission, the Ministry, and all the agencies under me are working together. We'll make sure that we get to the bottom of this matter and resolve it in a fair and impartial manner. Thank you. Once we...
Straightforward. Minister said, in some way, ekoso Ghana. Sebio nipa bebrebe o me Ghana fo a dodo to abama NDC eba power no omo complaining about omo kanea ho nsem omo koto kanea omo so kanea no omo using that back 1 day 2 days 3 days na kanea no asa. Minister say omo to artist asem no na manfo bebre no complaining about meters ewo mu fie o say omo bia hwehwemu a omo yes an hwehwani mu wama ECG for 7 days pe. Say, omo hwehwensem na after 7 days no omo mbra ma kirem adekudie ntia nipa bebre complain say omo to den prepaid endi na wotwe baako ana enda mienu miensa prepaid na mbre bi omo to na sebio eche kakra ntisi ade oto ya hwem nti o se eba saa na hwehwemu ni ba no mu se sebio enye ade a sebio na Buapayo ana deliberate every ECG ana de aban no wa say e was say aban no kura epata ni pebi e wo musika bi o mahwere a aban no ebe make sure say sika bi o so mo de pata no me pata. Now the question is on say asem sia de bia na ebusa say asem no aya na ye hwe ne bobre. Let's basically look at the issue and analyze where it might, and I said where it actually started from. I'm not going to sit here and blame anybody, but I'm going to sit here and be factual about what is happening today, because today's happenings might be the actions or inactions of some people in the past. When people in government today come out and say they are trying everything possible to solve the problem, now NPP omoko opposition less than a year. Ejina touchline, ejina parliament, etiem, ye dede, catch Ghana for say nyina ye Jimmy. Na aban no na sebio obu Ghana for, then it makes you start to ask yourself, say, problem we crampo no, if we sit to analyze her, problem no every. Now let me show you something. Team, stay with me. Now, this is September 2nd, 2024. We aya Dubik Mahama na one na ye ECG boss and the Kufuado ne baumia. Okachire say ECG to replace 250,000 meters in Accra and Eastern region. Now, what actually caused that? Ediana Emma 2024, NPP are buying a decided say or be replacing about almost 250,000 meters. That was close to elections. September, October, November. Now I bear 3 to 4 months. What was the cause of that? At a point, Dubik Mahama na oye ECG boss under MPP. Or say, new smart meters are not cheating you, but reflecting your lifestyle in terms of power consumption. Under MPP nkwasiafo ya ndo mujina parliament edidi atem. Eka se Ghana for ye Jimmy na NDC for buye no. Under their leadership, time no more power na Ghana for ka se dabi mita na ewo ho sisia no mita no ewie sika dodo mita no run fast dodo. Dubik Mahama na oye ECG boss under Bawumia ne Kufuado. Oka kire se yesu ene ye ban ene ma ye kanea no sebio ye to mita ye to light gu ye mita so ane ye mita no ye kanea no eshi. This is on record. Date show and me botchere no the same September and oka the same assembly. Yebusa ECG for and Kufuado and afenyoma and the MPP say 2024 yeto mumita fufura amudi abei yenkania ni nya yeto penashum yeto anashum adenti na yeto anashum Dubik Mahama no ye ECG boss and Kufuado Bawumia ka kire say new smart meters or meters fufura no amudi abano around September October during election time no or say new smart meters are not cheating you but reflecting your lifestyle in terms of power consumption. MPP for catch say yesuba ni ye any lifestyle bia na say ya fa to ye ho so ene na ema ye to kanea na kanea no aiden ahye na post kan kwasem now Dubik Mahama so kan enie mamembo na tie se ne be ya ye kasa wa ha obehu say MPP for ye nkwasiafo.
Off basis points were not there. Decimal points that they were off were not that much. Again, before I even explain, with the new meters that we have, they are off by 0.05. It's very, very accurate. So maybe you might get away with just charging a phone, but every single thing you consume in your house is going to read it. We should be talking about energy conservation rather now than ever, because that's the only way that you pay less. Because what is actually happening now is that with these new smart meters, every single thing you are doing is showing very well as to your true lifestyle and your true consumption. And then on the other side, tariffs have also increased. So it's not that ECG intentionally has put a meter out there to try to fleece its customers. Off basis points.
Moti asma du big Mahama kind under MPP. Okachi mo say our lifestyle no new meters no mo complain say every musika no mo light ne cost no say mo lifestyle mo life be ende mo lead Ghana under MPP and these same foolish people are sitting in parliament telling Ghana for say oh meter no every kanya dodo na NDC for na cause problem no ye busa omo time no omo ka kire say ye suban ye pray my life no ye sora na akoto fridge ye sora na akoto blender ye sora na akoto heater ye sora na akoto kettle omo ka kire say ye lifestyle and ama new meters no air consuming. Remember this guy afenyo marking na oye that time no na oni na ye den na oni na ye board chair of ECG afenyo marking afenyo marking ojina parliament na opose abuo bi no and the ojina waka say aban no people are complaining MPP for the more Ghana for the bi omo the more your politics omo say mo bi mo agimi time the big Mahama kachire say your lifestyle and ama ye den ye prepaid na ye tomita na light na asano na afenyo marking on na ye board chair of ECG. Did he talk? No. Did he complain? No. Did he come to tell us say it was the fault of their government? No. They sat back and they never listened to anybody. Now Busawu say why say close to election a government will change over 300,000 meters. The question here is Yembusa say what is causing this? Do you know what is causing this problem? There are two things here. The first one, Enye. This is the first thing. The first thing is that IMF deal no almost electricity tariff hikes, tax reforms, key condition in securing program. MPP for IMF no nyoma mienu enom de call ya IMF ka say somebody nyoma mienu we good table no so there. Sa IMF 3 billion e de bema mo. One na electricity I say ye tum bosomi miensa bia. MPP for echo IMF no ade am no go table so e ma IMF for eje sa IMF program ni tum no enie we April 2023 ofurata be ka kire say nyoma mienu a eye tintiman a IMF for ehwe so e de sa loan na maye no another sa IMF sika na maye no nyoma mienu den ye tax reform any den ye electricity bill a ye betum bosom miensa bia. We are still in the IMF program. I am praying, say, by way by the time we exit this program completely, no, we will see light bills, no, ever from kakra. I know it is not going to be easy, but see, I can in some way, now it should be a problem if we are asking the MPP, say, during your time, we are asking for your marking, you were the board chair of ECG. You people told us, you admitted that the prepaid meters were taking a lot of light and money. Now, why are you today telling us to say, after you went to IMF and just gave them our electricity? Because right now, no, baby, no, I was saying they making sure say it is not the fault of the government. In fact, so calculate air cost to cry. A buying way is trying everything possible to subsidize light, no, and one sense some. It is an common bar. I am momentanous in young quake kakra. Niambusa was a den ye bedruha. A den are buying bidi a electricity, echo share a day. I am a fonsa, said 3 months be or see a tomb. Now a day and our bino at a point, Ed requesting over 300,000 meters begu system nim. Meter we use meter we use. You don't know. Some meters na NPP de buy no meter we meter crawl. Me pese obi beka chem se NDC buy no oma procure meter 100 billion and oma spreading meter around the nation. Majority of the places are complaining about a light way and meters no. I am sure say those places are MPP for eco spreaders are meters over 300,000 Ghana edmas anko for no. And those meters no be no na you be contractor or they ba abeji sika before elections end. And we need to take a step back, investigate those meters, and look at the quality of meters are MPP for the latter part of MPP free power. No, where did they get all those meters from? Who were the suppliers? Afenyo Markin was the board chair. Near Tiha and forensic audit. Ebetre say, Dubik Mahama, Afenyo Markin as the board chair. They duped Ghana billions of cedis. Today, we are all facing the consequences. But if we are going to be realistic, let's take a step back and ask ourselves, say, 200 to 300,000 meters nearby, no, and he normal cost supply, no, why a GB? Are you one of the beneficiaries? Are you using some of the new meters? Some meters normally by a new bin will use it, or you are using the old ones, because at a point, 2 to 3 months to elections, you know, they brought in over 300,000 meters. And here one, we are talking about IMF program where, yes, Shema, we are supposed to pay, release the money every 3 months to make sure IMF can anchor. So there are so many ways, branches in the dorsum. And that does not mean say I am going to say ma abani enya hu bibi. This government was brought in to do what? To come and solve problems. Anything a minister say, they have to look at it critically. Investigations needs to be open for us to get to the bottom of this matter. Because it cannot be say suddenly meters na complaining from 2024 no area na quiet and sorry, it means there's something wrong. So let's get serious as a nation. Let's get serious as a people. Yatna Kroma Mahamudu Baumia or MPP flag bearer. At a point, on one campaign, Catch Ghana for, he was complaining about electricity in Ghana. Mahamudu Baumia, at a point, now or complaining about electricity in Ghana. Adentana Baumia complaining about electricity because he knew say abina yadeshe omunsa say omundi Ghana so no. They basically turned Ghana into a cash cow. They made money. Mr. S, Mr. P, get me the video. Mr. S, Mr. P, get me the Baumia video and let me show the people. This is Mahamudu Baumia complaining about electricity.
Electricity ne bo eba from Ghana. Electricity ne bo eba from. And then Ghana electricity bo was so because ye crack oil, any gas, any producing electricity. Oil the gas no so ne bo cost and cost. This is the generation mix. Move away from oil and gas to solar power. Every year, the percentage electricity ne bo eba from Ghana. The percentage electricity ne bo eba from. And then Ghana electricity bo was so because ye crack oil, any gas, any producing electricity. Oil the gas no so ne bo no cost and cost. This is the generation mix. Move away from oil and gas to solar power. Every year, the percentage electricity ne bo eba from Ghana. The percentage electricity ne bo eba from. And then Ghana electricity bo was so because ye crack oil, any gas, any producing electricity. Oil the gas no so ne bo no cost and cost. This is the generation mix. Move away from oil and gas to solar power.
Makachiramu asamoba, you have to sit down. Niembu say was asam free hina bedru ha. On say clearly, you can see clearly say these people, they know what they are doing. MPP among kind of correct. This is Baumia 2024. The campaign message, no. Or percent or take kania soba form. Oh, that means na kania no also that. Yakoka is a dubik say lifestyle. And yet Ghana hama MPP form kwasia 4 way a de day. Malam Baumia trofo ensunam. Ekekan kwasia. This is the reality. And this government is trying to solve every single problem. Sebio in Kwasiafowe Ekreti. Afenyomakin today is standing in parliament screaming. Afenyomakin was the board chair. Team, get me Afenyomakin statement in parliament today. Afenyomakin Kwasiampenyi way, Wudini way. Afenyomakin Kwasiampe on Samira a Wudifo way. He was standing in parliament screaming about electricity at their increment. Afenyomakin Kwasiawe at Ghana. We have allowed this fool, not an ECG board chair. Mumbusan say, as ECG board chair, those times, what did he do about the lights? Today, such an idiot. Jimmy Nisano, Today, he's screaming in parliament. He's telling the finance minister, there is electricity there and there, the electricity and the Mumusana say, when he was the board chair of ECG, what happened? Team, Muntia Kwasiampenyi, this is Afenyo Makin, Kwasiampenyi. Let me show you the evidence. No, your ECG board chair, endogenous parliament.
Even when you come to the recruitment, it's a complete scam. And I'll explain to you, the recruitment into police, immigration, prison, you are now even telling the youth that they should go and the youth who are already unemployed, they are borrowing. Marco, finance minister, what is that? Macroeconomic. I'm not interested. I'm interested in the bread and butter issues, electricity. You have increased electricity tariffs by over 30%. Now, put the numbers on paper aside. Listen, for those of you who, because you are in government, you are ignoring the realities on the ground. Ghanaians cannot afford electricity. You should know this. These are the things you should introduce policies for reform. How to reform the energy sector. You are not doing that. You come here and say, Marco, I will not commend you for doing this. I'm not going to praise you. Electricity needs reforms. Those are the bona fides you must pay attention to. Then you come here, you say, and then 15 months, they say, Ghana accelerated national reserve accumulation. When you buy electricity, Mr. Speaker, this morning, somebody told me that she used to buy 1,000 for a whole month. Today, if you buy 2,000 for 1 week and so Mr. Speaker,
this is the foolishness you have been entertaining in Ghana. What's the principle about what he's doing? Well, Jimmy, but he's the person who basically caused this shit. Inti Ghana for no, you must say Jimmy for ya, entertaining Jimmy for ya. He's standing in parliament screaming. But at the end of the day, he was a board chair of ECG. The ECG boss told us your lifestyle number ECG light costro. His own flag bearer, the foolish idiot, told us that he knows light bills are up.
The electricity ne boɔ ɛba fam wɔ Ghana. Electricity ne boɔ ɛba fam. Ɛnɛ Ghana electricity boɔ no wɔ soro because yɛkra oil ɛne gas ɛde produce electricity. Oil ne gas no so ne boɔ no ɛkɔ soro a na ɛkɔ soro.
This is Bawumia in 2024. Now, if you're a majority leader, now or your board chair of ECG, Kwasia. Or to see your parliament, Jimmy no sa now with Jimmy and people because majority are just idiots. They can't read, they can't write, they are the foolish masses. A Jimmy for party. So every fool in Ghana, now you don't know the MPPH. The question to ask this idiot is that but you were in power a year ago. People were complaining. Your ECG boss told us it was our lifestyle. Your own flag bearer, that Mumu, told us that he knows light bills are up. Why are you today screaming? You were the same people who put Ghana's lifeline, energy lifeline. You put it on paper and gave it to IMF. You went to IMF and told IMF, say, IMF deal no, for your energy sector in shame, electricity no fan shame. Who are you complaining to? You want John Mahama to solve all problems in a day? And this is the kind of parliament we have. The foolishness and the bona fide foolishness, no? That bona fide foolishness that people think that they are entitled to. The bona fide foolishness of Afenyo Makin. That bona fide foolishness, no? He thinks he's entitled to, no? That is causing this problem. Such a dirty rat. Jimmy for he does not respect anybody because MPP for so much Jimmy because they can't read and write, they can't go back and think, they can't research. They are affiliated to the party because of their foolish tribe and foolishness. We are building a nation. We are looking at problems one after the other. We are basically finding solutions to problems that were caused by animals like you. A fool like you told us, said, May, you were going to bring Oforiatta to Ghana. Kwasi Ampenyi. Utinu kakawure regional parliament bona fide mukui like you Jimmy for you and Samira Bawumia Wudi for you foolish people. You think we have forgotten the nonsense you do in Ghana? And we sit in Ghana and we entertain this stupidity All because parliament na full. Jimmy Nibia to minya parliament. So anybody enters parliament and thinks that's the place that they can exhibit the highest form of Mukuism and their bona fidism and their Bangladesh foolishness. Come and tell us things. Come and tell us wisdom. People are saving the nation. They caused the problem. They have become this stupid. They have destroyed the nation today. They are screaming like pigs. And that we should all keep quiet and look at their foolishness. Because because Jimmy. Now Jimmy. This is where the problem is coming from. Now we need to investigate the 300,000 meters. I remember I spoke on this matter. They were paying the money into some company's account under MPP. Time this are prepaid whereby I did a story on it. Mr. P, pull it out for me. Mebeka Chamsa Bawomia and Napo, they were involved in this meter scandal. They brought in some meters at the latter part of 2024. I sat here and told Ghana for Mahmoud Bawomia was involved in that scandal. He and Napo Omukofa some meters by Ghana. It came out that people were paying money to a company that was receiving a prepaid money directly into their account. We need to focus and build the nation. And you see, the reason why sometimes you have opportunity, you didn't say the Mukuism in the MPP has become like their monkeyism character. Their foolish Mukuism, it has manifested into a monkeyism character, into thinking say they are making sense. Foolish avenue marking. You were the board of ECG. How much were they paying light for as Ghanaians? Huh? Mukui party. Jimmy for you think everything you have to complain about na ama abana misdirected. No. You can scream and scream, you can shit on yourselves. What the government intends to do is what the government is going to do. And the government is going to do what the people of Ghana want. Not you mukwis. Political monkeysm na ewo wo mutirimu no. Man in them Jimmy, we have forgotten about you people, your filth. You think we have forgotten about the nonsense you put us through? A mukwism group of monkeyisms. You think we have forgotten everything? We are going to remind you people every single day and the nonsense you did. And we are never going to hand this country over to you people, over our fucking dead body. We sit in Ghana, we entertain you, and look at all these things you did. Look at all these things. 250,000 meters. You supplied it in Ghana. Modema Ghana for today, NDC about power 1 year was supplied 300,000 meters. When you check where the complaints are coming from, they are actually coming from all the places that these meters, Bawumia, Napo, and Afrinyoma, that's where the complaints are coming from. Now, analysis we are not stupid. They make money out of us. They then go sit on the fence and start to scream like dogs. All because you're Jimmy. All because Parliament now are full. Any mukui can enter Parliament and start misbehaving. Any fool thinks that they can underestimate the intelligence of the people. Every idiot thinks that they wear a Vietnam suit, stand in Parliament and speak like a rat. And that we all have to listen to the monkeyism character coming from them. The bona fide foolishness is what you are exhibiting in Parliament. Where did these meters go? Who supplies meters and makes sure he forces meters on the people 3 months to elections? Who does that? All because it was a man for a contract to film. All because and the Abai they will have to bear the brunt. They will have to bear the problem. So suddenly, problem now mu create and this before they create a nine in Chamwa. Foolish antidotes. You people. You are antidote to nothing. When is solution to anything? You are antidote to nothing. And team, I'm not going to switch from this. This is Dubik Mahama telling us our lifestyle.
The off basis points were not there. Decimal points that they were off were not that much. Again, before I even explain, with the new meters that we have, they are off by 0.05. It's very, very accurate. So maybe you might get away with just charging a phone, but every single thing you consume in your house is going to read it. We should be talking about energy conservation rather now than ever, because that's the only way that you pay less. Because what is actually happening now is that with these new smart meters, every single thing you are doing is showing very well as to your true lifestyle and your true consumption. And then on the other side, tariffs have also increased. So it's not that ECG intentionally, because what is actually happening now is that with these new smart meters, every single thing you are doing is showing very well as to your true lifestyle and your true consumption. And then on the other side, tariffs have also increased. So it's not that ECG intentionally has put a meter out there to try to fleece its customers. Because what is actually happening now is that with these new smart meters, every single thing you are doing is showing very well as to your true lifestyle and your true consumption. And then on the other side, tariffs have also increased. So it's not that ECG intentionally has put a meter out there to try to fleece its customers.
This is what they told us. Intienya di mo bianca bibia mo bianca Ghana for. Ma obianca bibia. I sat on my platform, and you see, thank you very much, Mr. S. I sat on my platform, me catch Ghana for, and I'll remind you today, me adebie no ameka men kayo. Yeah, let me show you. Thank you very much, team, for bringing this in. It was a show I did, and I made you know, say, in kofo we bomu chrono. Afenyomakin, no, yeah, thank you, Mr. S, for bringing this in. Me better video be, and it's a video I did here, and before election 2024, me check this video. Do you remember? Napo ekofa meters ebaye. And I'll catch and say, sa meters no make sure say ya turning na e dia force on Ghana for and send you free power. Inti on say and chair 2 months ago, everything this guy was talking about was meters. Also, we need to change meters here. They were forcing the meters on you guys. Or turn the last meter we or so I resign. Then I no because Sikana no muhian and then second we. Who resigns without stating a statement, a reason? He's not going to give you a reason because his job was to come and sell the meters. On say oh ECG power no cut off into more meters bi no meters no mun load no be see meter no napo deal. This guy's job was to sell the meters for Napo. Canada Japan and Napo de this meters ne buy some meters na omo de mama by force e yo deal akwa we onim so be free power into the djuma nyina say on ton meter no onje ne share no resign it. So right now, we're resigning. How are you going to track that deal? Nipa obasha ono, or no problem. Nipa na wabasha ono, or no any problem. Ochina, I'll speak on the meters, and then you see what is happening in Ghana. Oh, so same way, Ochina, I'll come and show you something about the meters. Ye ka some chiremo amonte, ye tumu for amonte, tribe Jimmy mo, and the moti Ghana, and ye to meter na ye to light na nasa. It is their deal. They don't care. Sa meter na wuto egusuno, sa sika na wuto egusuno, na po wo mu 30%. In this auto 10 Ghana, 30 Ghana no, na po dia, 70 Ghana na light. That is why this guy was all over the place. All catch Ghana for, you need to take the meters. We are changing meters. Suddenly, we are changing meters. Why? Suddenly, some kind of meters and the best meter. Yeah, because so to 1 meter be 30% sikane woman e kona po. So 30% require on this meter company in the chain 15. Don't be fooled though. It is idea china say boy we on no jot se kusie. Wakoto no e omo ba build. Wakoto no no jot I say abodam. We these are dirty referrals. They didn't expect to get to this level in life. They knew from day one they were not supposed to get the positions they were given, so they cannot even handle it. Wait, no fee we gonna do to tiara no. Well, no one sang we just say omo fee. We sika we or we also are resigning. What can you do? Nothing. Napo deal no. This is 2024 before elections, and I kept telling you people. Say in konfo we omo ya kromfo afenyoma ke we kromfo o mu se mo agimi sa afenyoma ke we nipa no ho am time wo Ghana kura no ho am nyan we did jimini we na mo so ye gina parliament 30% You know the damage they did to you people. But today, the NDC government led by John Mahama, Jinapo at the Energy Ministry, they need to solve this problem. Are we going to change all the meters again? That is another question to ask. Now, it's going to be another cost on the energy sector or on the ministry, on the government. If these meters, after the investigations, ever prove to say some of the meters are not the right meters now, what are we going to do? The government needs to also go out there, change all these meters, pay you people back, and install new meters. Who is going to bear the cost? These are the things we talk about. And you see, the funny thing is, sometimes you think it's a joke. These people, they know. Say, Omu di bone, but because last time they have been able to go through every part of government. They have been able to put their fingerprints everywhere. And the politician or Ghana on court. MPP politician being Oslo court. You know why? Because they know that some of the people in there are their people. So they don't care. Today, when you tell them you're going to jail, they are not scared because they know. That is why Kufuor was packing the courts. And these are the things they did. These are things we cannot just sit and say we should let it pass. And you see these fools come and sit on TV, in Parliament and talk nah. No, I'm sorry, Jimmy. Base them the questions. Mumbusomo questions, you know. Mumbusomo questions, you know. We knew all these things. Let me tell you. Anytime Ghana for say, we still need to move. As much as some people have stolen from us, as much as we still want to grab some people, put them before the law court, we still have to move on. We cannot say because we are waiting to prosecute this country. Okay, right now, the question here is, moi mumites air faulty. Moi se si amo bre amo light air kwa hwihwim no. Yan twan yan kwachi obi prosecute and say faces our problem no. The government needs to move ahead. The government needs to look at your needs now, take care of your needs, and the prosecution needs to follow because investigations have to be done, cases have to be made, cases have to be filed. But we cannot say because people are investigating stuff, we should come to a halt as a nation. We should not move on. And last time say it is important. We all need the prosecution. We need accountability. But it does not mean say it's right now. Me catch the Ghana ni awoshe me. Say ECG by investigations. Yan try mom investigations ni we. Omo kwachi omo dis abone no. Omo prosecute omo we answer ni affect the problem no. I'm asking you. So these are some of the things you need to understand about governance. When you come, the plight of the people should be your priority. Even though we all know, say, making sure accountability is served, it's a priority. We are also choosing your normal rights. So we cannot leave the cases behind. The same time we are complaining about the cases, we should also find solutions to the problems these foolish idiots created in the first place. So you need to understand, MPP former Jimmy, that is what they will do for the next 41 years. They will scream, they will shit, they will fart, they will misbehave. They are naturally muquis. The muquism and the monkeyism in them will not stop them from fooling, especially this monkeyism. So we need to get serious as a nation. Let's not fall for these gimmicks. Let's not fall for this antics, this drama they do in Parliament. It is a distraction. Ignore these idiots. The solution is that we need to find a way to solve this problem. Platform personal. Every single statement I made when these people were in opposition, in power, I made it because I had my facts. And then Nina manifested. Every single Ghanaian is seeing. On say any ebre. After your marking, kwasiampenyi okoni krom if you know your party womb. Someone with you know a party womb. It is your money, it is my money. Oh, you say can you we are a question he does not care. At a point, can a Japan money $5 million? Can a Japan to be $5 million more be on your receipt? Mumujan say these are criminals. But you see, Yentuminfa entontum webufuo ehwe ye basum anase embo ye nyankase asum. As much as you kuntuntum no, we need to be careful the way we slap our face to kill that entontum. So even though we are slapping our face, we need to be careful. And that's what I mean is as far as we are trying to solve the problem, you pay accountability. No, we cannot also forget to say we need to solve the problems. The problems you to solve we are and you the way forward to deal with people. Because Saban way better so. For 1 year, now Abana is just complaining and Abana is not solving problem. But we have gotten a government that is delivering, a government that is working, a government that has a willingness to prosecute. We should all understand and help the government. Now, as some for I want to speak on.
And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Who is your school?
Okay, French.
Fallacy of Latin, fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. It's simple terms. The statement is a fallacy.
Wow.
Fallacious. And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Who is your school?
Okay, French.
Fallacy of Latin, fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. It's simple terms. The statement is a fallacy.
Wow.
Fallacious. And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Who is your school?
Okay, French.
Fallacy of Latin, fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. It's simple terms. The statement is a fallacy.
Person where wagadrini, where calaburani, where dargani, where dishonest person, the corrupt attitude or the nam chroma, evil and devil, okita anti-party behavior, where dishonorable person, bapolanti, onu okansema. Ni yire fini ho MPP wato aduane ama obia oye ni brefo an ungrateful and unpatriotic leader. That is Kennedy Japan for you. Asindom pen destroyer. Adwene kita na nya adwen papa. Ontiapo in the first place. Ana ha ononkwana na homa atie. Bipolar. Psychological me hu sa onya ni papa. We are indisciplined. We are dishonest. We are unpatriotic. So wa dan nkwa 278. Nkusie ne ekokote ne kankane ne dabo ne mponchi ne dam no. Oboa oni hu emaye ochre ye betindi nkutaye oduru ha no de front ochre metima ma ye de nkate aye sa nipa no onye famfu central for sign na ufa o madwuma meme ye gimifo ntimi bisa gimifo questions wo ye hungry pig wo de odidi awi nkrofo ntade nyina afra emotional intelligent kra uni bi na start religious war e wo krom ha because of say wonya dementia nti won kan say wo na start ye enugwase ni to wo timi kase. But when you pull him down person, PhD now ukitano, your friend pull him down. And then the boy, want to be mama, MPP presidential candidate, and I apparent. Man, not winning that because we know you are nobody. Ghana president in Fatao. Who are born, who now who are going to talk at Owonu, and want to turn to Krono. We are empty. I know more Mudina Chinisho to sound one. Omunina empty. Into a money Canadian Venantia. Now, what no what who am I, a friend? A boss on no crown. Oh, I didn't care any Panamudina Chiamos on the MPP. A more no be immature people. Madness. What didn't you do my power? Farasoko Kennedy Wako Pemwa. Because the party on the night. Japan can never be MPP. Oh, Pakunya Kessia Swat. Emotional intelligence. And your hypocrite. When you want to you're serious. As I say, a foul say. You too patry, and you won't kwana why you are gonna go to the moon. They are breaking the Japan. They are bro. Madness about Kennedy, Japan has always been careless. Kennedy. Motherfucker. Nobody else was down to me and go for do it. Every day you are lying. They be our boy, will be more. Don't listen, run, go for our boy. Contompumia. Obi or Dabrabemu. Obio 276 building, not a public place. I guess I didn't want to be trying to some did draw. No, come in draw. Obi a uko interview. Ubeka say you know anu nyina for ni intenso na wo threaten. Obi a quiet drug business. Oni obi kasa no ni pakọ na yira. Ye betia so. Who is this man? Menopause. Na ginimu enye clear. The man has shown to MPP say or doing a fool, 24 years in parliament. How many companies do you have in Asen? If you cry or Timu, your friend is saying, moving picking. What if I go down on Chiaka? 257 houses. Now to be hotel. What is credible about it? Credible people crack election, Lucy. You know, be about to all your thoughts. Say. And then out on oil. A channel out on rice. How can on you be any to soon be a down with the team and then people are upset? Don't believe any Jandamo. Yeah, you and no, I go down or not. Yeah, the way. Then the boss, you're nearly too much more. You're nearly too dark. He hates Paumia with everything. The family is my nearly too dark. I can't be nearly too soon. That's only by a nearly too soon man who contest election. When you follow a madman,
When you see a mad person, you identify. Who did mad? Kennedy is about tribal. And a ban in Torah for Yehovah. He's a hypocrite. Tell me what Honorable Ken has done for Ghana. Honorable Ken, we are more forgetting. Honorable, if you don't win, we don't care about you.
What will you do if he wins the primaries?
What will you support him? What are we going to sell? No, tell me what are we going to sell? What will we be selling?
And you want to tell me, say, Mahamudu Bawumia has not heard any of this?
I don't want peace. I want problems always. I don't want peace. I want problems always. I don't want peace. I want problems always.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Usu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubwahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,